All right, guys. So here we have one of the new refurbished rooms at Pop Century. This is in the 80s building. It's a pool view room. We'll go outside and check that out in a minute. But you see they have a queen size bed now. These rooms used to have the 2 double beds, a linoleum wood style floor, no more carpeting, and they have this pull down bed similar to the ones that they have in the Art of Animation suites, where it's a table with chairs and then you can fold it up and then pulls down. It looks like a double bed. We have coffee maker, mini fridge, and there's our selections of coffees. Pretty nice sized TV and bathroom and shower and tub. So it's pretty nice. I've never stayed here before, but I really like the decor. I like the room. The walk wasn't too terrible. I'll do another video of the walk in a little bit. And here's this. So this is the new Disney Skyliner. So this is a gondola style transportation system that is going to connect Pop Century, Art of Animation, Caribbean Beach, Hollywood Studios, the new proposed 15th DVC resort, Disney's Riviera Resort, as well as Epcot. So this is going to be another transportation option that you'll have from specifically Pop Century, Art of Animation, Caribbean Beach, and then the new DVC resort that they're going to be building. There's no real timeline as to when this is going to be completed, but they do have this in the room here, and you know, this will be a pretty neat feature once it's finished. As you can see, we have some charging port, USB charging ports, as well as your regular plugs there. So let's take a peek outside. Here we go. Here's one of the pools. This isn't the main pool. This is just kind of the pool here for the this section. And like I said, I'm in the 80s section. Right now, the 90s and the 80s are completed as far as the new room layouts. They're working on, I believe, the 70s, and hopefully by the end of the year, we'll have all these, or by fall, they'll have all these rooms refurbished and redone. But as far as when specifically they'll be done, we don't really have a strict timeline on that yet. So, all right, so I'm gonna get going. I'll be back in a little bit, and we'll do the walking tour from our room, walk right up to where the buses in the main area is, so you can just see a real live time as far as how far away we are from all that. See you in a bit.